So we got a little upgrade, sort of an upgrade for the Polygon. We have the Spank Spoon 60 bars, and comes with a little mudguard. So these are 60 mil rise. It says that it's a Spank Spoon 60, so if you flip it over, it gives you all the specs on the back. So if you're interested in that, I suppose you could just pause the video and look at it. But yeah, I'm going to throw all this stuff on. The original bars on the Polygon are 20 millimeter rise, and I still am putting too much pressure on my wrists, so I figured this might be better. It also has an extra degree of backsweep, which I like the sound of. So I'm going to throw these on, and then I'm going to give them a try. I have my 100-mile review video coming up this week. So put those on, and I'm going to take them on my 100-mile review. So we'll be trying them out for the first time as well. So let's go ahead and get these put on, and then let's see what it looks like. All right, so there the bars are installed. I don't know if my controllers are set up the way I had them, so I'll be probably finagling with those before I go on my next ride. And then when I go on the next ride, which will be my 100-mile review, then we'll kind of see how it feels any different. But I put these on because it's too much pressure on my hands and wrists, and my hands were going, well, one of my hands was going numb, cutting off the circulation. So I think this will make it a little bit easier and a little bit more of a pleasant riding experience. I think the flat bars or the flatter bars are just kind of unnecessary most of the time. And they say the higher bars help with descents too. So, so yeah, we'll see. We'll see how I like them.